that for sure. How about you, Kristen?
Well, it's interesting because like a little bit of everything you said I can relate to, whether it's not liking my thighs or seeing a bunch of variety in body types in my sport or feeling like my body type wasn't the model for a soccer player. I think I've experienced like all of those things, and I bet, you know, non-athletes, everyone has. They all feel that. For me personally, my body is lean, it's skinny, and I think I tend to fall on like the skinnier, scrawnier side of a soccer player. I've been described in articles as frail. Yeah, I didn't like that one. But yeah, but I think that I've developed muscles exactly where I need them and kind of nowhere else. So in that way, I think that my body, I feel like it's disproportionate. Like I have big glutes, big thighs, and like very small arms and very small like legs. And so that's not something necessarily I love, but in the same way that you spoke about, like I learned to embrace it because the muscles that I have are the muscles that I've developed by staying out on the field for hours and working those muscles and making sure they're fast and they're strong and they're tight.
Nice.